some gold and neutral shades from the James Charles x Morphe palette, and I am obsessed, and I hope you guys like this look as much as I do, because this is my go-to routine for events. I got a few messages on Instagram about 4 months ago when I went to this gala and I wore this eye look, and at the time I wasn't really filming, but I did promise that I would put it together in the future, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do like this look, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to see more looks on my channel. I will be uploading once a week, and I hope to see you guys each time. Without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. So the first step that I always want to follow is to use my moisturizer, and I use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Juice Moisturizer. Even if I've applied it when I wash my face, I like to go back in with it and use it as a primer so that my foundation goes on a lot better. And the next step for me is always to take in the Smith's Rosebud Salve Lip Balm. There's also a strawberry one, which is really good. I highly recommend both of them. Alright, now I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This is in the shade R370. To blend that out, I'm using my blending brush for foundation. This is from Precision Beauty. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with my concealer, and this is the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced, and I'm in the shade Nude. Before this starts to crease, I want to go back in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder, and that's just going to make sure that everything stays nice and smooth. And the next step is going in with the Huda Beauty Tantour Cream, and I use the shade Fair. This is really great for contouring, I highly recommend it. And I'm taking a contour brush from NYX. This is number 5. I'm just dipping it in and patting it into my skin. Next step is to set our contour, and I'm going to use the Dior Backstage Contour Kit, and I'm going to go in with the shade Light. I'm using the NYX contour brush in number 6. And I'm going to take the IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation, and this is in the shade Light. With this contour brush from Real Techniques, I'm going to take this and define this area. Alright, the next step is to go in with our Morphe x James Charles palette. I love this palette. I swear by it. If there's one palette you should invest in, this is the one. First color that I'm going to go into is this one here. And I'm going to go in with this darker brown up here. When that is done, I'm going to go in with this darker shade over here. Then after that, I'm going to go in with this side, and I'm going to dip it into the black. Place it into this area. Then I'm taking the blending side and blending it out. Alright, now these are looking really dark right now, but that's because we're going to be cutting our crease. What I'm going in with is the Kylie Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade King K. This is perfect for cutting your crease and then piling something on top of it. And I'm going to go back into this palette, and I'm going to take this champagne color here. Look how stunning that is. Then with this thinner brush, I'm going to go into the darker brown that I used. Darken under my eyes. I'm going into a highlight from Kylie Cosmetics. This is in Santorini. It's a beautiful loose powder highlight. This is what it looks like. And I'm taking the highlighter brush we used earlier and highlighting my brow bone and the center of my eye as well. And I'm going to pull this into the cut crease. Okay, now that we've highlighted our eyes, I'm going to go in with my brow pencil, and I use the NYX brow pencil in the shade Brown. Then I'm going to go in and line my eyes using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. next step is applying some blush, and I'm going to use the Milani Luminoso blush. So now I've applied my lashes, and these are the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Samantha, and they're stunning. I highly recommend these if you're going to a big event because they stand out. That is what I love about them. The next thing I'll be doing is going into my highlight, and this is Becca Champagne Pop, a classic. Next thing I'm doing is going in with my liner, and this is the NYX liner in the shade Cold Brew. I just love that name, so beautiful. This is such a beautiful color on its own, but I am going to top it with something. I'm going to go in with the NYX liquid lip in the shade Bustier. This is from the lingerie collection, and top my lip with it. And I think that's just about it. If you'd like, you can apply a gloss on top just to make it pop a little more. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia gloss in the shade Estella. This is gorgeous. I'm going to focus it on the center just to give more of a pout. Alright guys, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be posting once a week, so if you do like this video, subscribe so you can see more content coming soon on my channel. Hope you have an amazing week, and I'm sending you so much love. Stay safe during this quarantine, and I encourage you to get creative and share your looks with me on Instagram. My @handle is @MonicaAbdullahian, and I will be so happy to see what looks you guys put together. And if you do decide to follow this tutorial, please send me a picture. I would love to see it. Your support means everything, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.